The Maths Games at Home videos have been created to support homeschooling at the time of the coronavirus. The videos are taken from a series prepared for teachers and volunteers working in crisis settings. Learning mathematics is best done through practical work, lots of repetition, using different examples, and this is what the games are intended to give your child.
Okay, all of the resources here have been made from one cereal box, so I'll show you some of the different games that you can play. We'll start with the 100 square. You'll see you've got numbers 1 to 100 written here, and I've made some counters that are just out of cut up little bits of the cereal box that were left over. So one of the games that you can play is if you take your dice, again these have been made from a side of the cereal box, and if you throw 3 together, and then you can choose which operation to use, whether you're going to add, subtract, multiply or divide. So for example, we've thrown a 2, a 6 and a 1, so we can do 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 6 makes 9. Take one of your counters and place it on 9. Try again. 6 take away 2 is 4, times 1 is 4, place a counter on 4. 2 plus 1 is 3, times 6 is 18, place a counter on 18, and so on. So the aim of the game is to cover as many as you can. Another game that you can play with the 100 square is Race to 100. So you take your 2 dice, you throw them, 7, place it on 7. Another person throws, so they've got 9. The way you can differentiate between the counters is have one the right way up, one the other way, so that they're different colours. So they've got 9, and then you throw again. So I add on 2 to the one that I've already got, so that takes me, I'm on 9 as well. And you keep going, and the winner is the first to reach 100. There are further examples of 100 square games using bottle tops in the videos that are accompanying this one, but this one decided to use small cardboard counters instead of bottle tops in case bottle tops aren't readily available. Another example here is a multiplications matching game. So you can match as quickly as you can, try and beat your time, see how fluent you can get at your multiplication tables. This is a times 6. The other one you can play is that you turn them over and you play pairs. So they're all turned upside down. And you have to turn over. You can see I've made them slightly different sizes so you can see which one is a question and which one will be an answer. So I've turned over 9 times 6. So I'll see if I can find the answer. 9 times 6 is 24. No, it's definitely not. So you turn that back over again, and then you keep playing, take it in turns to see who can get the most matches. You can play the same thing here. We've got exactly the same, but this time with division. So this is dividing by 3. So again, play it as a matching game, or play it, turn it upside down, playing it as pairs. Here we've got 2 boards numbered 1 to 12. So this would be for one player, this would be for another player. You take 2 of your dotty dice, and the idea of this is you throw your dice. It's an addition game, so you're going to have 6 and 3, 6 plus 3, so I'll place a counter on 9. Then the other team or my partner plays, they've thrown 3 and 2, which is 5, so they'll place a counter on 5, and so on, and you keep playing, and the winner is the first person to cover all of their boards. Final game that I have here is number bonds to 10. So you have some flashcards, 0 to 10, and you turn one over, 1, and you put it on its partner to make 10. So 1 plus 9 makes 10, so I will place it on there. 8 plus 2 makes 10, so I will place it on 2. 6 plus 4 makes 10, so I place it on 4, and so on. Okay. You can dispense with the board and just use flashcards. So for this you need 0 to 10, but you need to have 2 5s. And the idea is that you pair up as quickly as you can. So 1 and 9 makes 10, 7 and 3 makes 10, 10 and 2, 10 and 2, 10 and 0 makes 10, 5 and 5 makes 10, 8 and 2 makes 10, 6 and 4 makes 10. So you pair them up as quickly as you can. We've also got a number board which is 1 to 20. So again, you can do a similar thing with your counters and with matching up. More detail about the resources in this video and others can be found in this booklet, Numeracy for All, Resources for Teaching Mathematics, a guide for teachers and trainers on how to make and use low-cost or no-cost teaching and learning aids.
These videos are from a partnership between VSO International and the MESH Initiative. Both organisations have a commitment to share knowledge freely around the world for the benefit of teachers and learners.